Well, the average broker-dealer with over 500 traders can generate over $50 million a month. But how do you as an individual make this type of money? With this type of training where I teach you over 3,000 strategy in order for you to understand how to trade all aspects of the financial market will definitely help you acquire the knowledge that you need in order for you to perform very well. Let me give you an example. There are over 12,400 penny stocks available on the OTC securities on all the exchanges. With that in mind, you can have over 200 stocks that increase by 25 cents each trading days, where will generate over $50,000 in potential profit for you. Even if you didn't have a trading account that would allow you to take advantage of all the opportunity in trading penny stock, imagine just being able to trade over 25 different stocks that increases by 50 cents or even 25 cents. At 25 cents, which is a $250 profit on 1,000 share, you have potential to make approximately $2,500 a day if you were to have 10 wins per day, or even $5,000 per day if you were to have 20 wins per day. Using your risk management, that is approximately $50,000 in a trading month. Before you start trading, you must understand how to backtest and forward test your strategies. Let me give you an example. I teach you over 3,000 strategy in these materials. If you were to have 7 set of combination out of 3,000, that will give you over 100 quadrillion possible combination. You do not have enough resource in order for you to trade all this combination. However, with Super Financial Trader crunching over 600 quadrillion data points with over 25 powerful servers, you have an opportunity of finding the highest probability set up in order for you to take advantage of all the different scenarios in the market. You must give yourself a chance to understand your risk management, because trading involves a lot of risk. You learn how to select the right securities overnight and bring these securities into your intraday trading in order for you to have the highest probable setup to make money. I believe in you. Let's do it.